This is another successful conversion to quartz. A marble desk clock, and this is the unrepairable mechanical movement that's been removed. As with all the conversions, I'm trying to keep it looking as authentic as possible. So that's the old back plate, with the majority of the winders still in situ, and then we 3D printed this black frame and made some adaptations inside so that you can just put that back on there. Obviously that's removed if we need access to the quartz movement inside to change the time or to replace the battery. I'll just put it back on again for aesthetics, and that's it. On this particular conversion, the tiny little alarm time hand has just been replaced in a static position at 7:30 at the customer's request, because I don't have that ability. Original hand's been reworked to fit a German quartz carriage clock movement, and the whole unit just given a bit of a clean. Thanks for watching. If you've got anything similar you want to be converted but keep its authenticity, then please get in touch with me, Tristan, at clocksubtitle.co.uk. Thank you.